Afternoon, children. So in this video, we are just going to discuss questions which are with the comprehension and analysis. So the first question is this one, in which the initial value of A is 6. You can see that the initial value of A is 6, B is -1, and the expression is x A plus minus A. So plus finally here what to do is you have to calculate the values, like, so children, here initial value of A is 6, so here it is 6 only which we are going to use, but when control leaves this place it becomes a 7, and when it reaches here it becomes again 6. So 6 plus 6 plus, what is the value of B? It is -1, so it will be 0, and 0 into anything will result to 0 only. Now 6 plus 6 if you are doing, so here the answer is 12. So the answer of the very first question will be 12. Okay, now move on to the second question. Children, here in this second question, initial value of A is 8. So just see that here initial value of A is 8, and here, so if A is 8, so it will remain 8 because it is post decrement. So post decrement means that we are going to use 8, but later on the value will get decremented. Here it becomes a 7, and when it reaches here it is pre-decrement. So it means here we have to decrement it one more time. So here the value becomes a 6, and further that value will get transferred. So here when it reaches here it will remain 6. So 8 plus 6, which is 14, and 14 plus 6, which is 20. So this is the answer. So in question number 2 the answer is 20. Now children, move on to the next question. In the next question you will see that here what will be the value of the this variable rem. So here n mod 10. So children, as you all know that modulus 10 stores the remainder, so here the answer will be 3. Since it is double type, so answer will be 3.0. Okay, now move on to the next question. In this question, children, the question is, if you have to find out first three digit of 4-digit number, first three digit of 4-digit number, so then what to do? So just consider any 4-digit number. Suppose here we have a number, 4-digit number, and we want to find out the first three digits of this number. So here what to do is A by 10. If you do, so here you can see that the first three digits will come. So divide that number by 10, you will get the first three digits. So second option is the answer. Now move on to the next question. So children, here in this question it is math.sqrt. Children, one thing you must know that this math.sqrt function receives only one parameter, but if you see here there are two parameters. So here answer is 4.0, and then it is comma 4. So you cannot pass two parameters, so this is error. So the second option is correct. Children, math.power receives two parameter, math.sqrt receives one parameter, math.seal, math.floor, and so many other functions like abs, math.abs receives two parameters. So here since in this question you can see that there are two parameters, so that's why this is error. Okay, now here what will be the value of x? Question number 6. So children, there is some issue with this. I will check it later on. Here it is a question. Yes, question number 6. Now you can see that math.min 32 comma 16. So children, here this part returns 16, and now math.max 4 comma 16 will return 16. And then math.sqrt, you will see that here the answer will be 4.0. So here if I execute this part, here you can see that children, this part is returning 16 because the minimum between these two values 32 and 16 is 16. So here 16 will be returned, and after that if you see these two values, which is 4 comma 16, so maximum value is 16, and if you find out the sqrt of 16, answer will be 4.0. So let us just execute this. So here you can see that the answer is 4.0. Okay, now we want to move on to the next question, which is seventh. Uh, Children, here in the seventh question, just copy this. We have this copy. So just copy this part. And here, children, here now, what is the initial value of B? The initial value of B is 4. So here it will start executing from the innermost. It means that first of all, this part will execute. This part will execute. So plus plus B. So here plus plus B means that it becomes 5. Plus plus B means pre-increment, so it becomes 5, comma C. So 5 comma C, so maximum value will be 6. And here plus plus A, which is initially 3, and then 4 comma 6, it will return 4. Math.sqrt of 4 will return 2.0, and then pow 2 comma 2 will return 4.0. So children, here the answer will be uh, the answer will be the value of ABC is that, but if we print the value of X, the value of X is not being calculated. There is some issue, but here the answer will be 4. Children, here I would like to show you with the help of another IDE, which is this one. So just wait. Here you can see this is what double X. Just print the value of X. This is the value of X. So here just run this. So Java, there is one issue with the bracket, I think. Okay, so there was an issue with the bracket. So here children, the answer is one more thing which is expected. So children, here just wait. So here children, again I'm just explaining to you. Now it's correct. The parenthesis is properly balanced. Now it will start from the innermost part. So here it is 5 comma 6. So 5 comma 6, the maximum value will be 6. And here plus plus A, which is 4. So 4 comma 6, the minimum value is 4. And math.sqrt 4, which is 2.0. So here it is 2.0. But 2 comma 2.0, the answer will be 4.0. Now you just run this code. So children, you can see that here the answer is 4.0. So always the execution always starts from the innermost part. You have to see that. Okay, now we want to move on the next one. Then the next one, it is math.max 3 comma 4, and here you can see that it will again start from the innermost. So first of all, minimum value will be calculated, which is 2, and here the maximum value which is calculated, which is 4. Now math.pow 4 comma 2, which is 16.0, is the final answer. Now we want to move on the next question. The next question is this one. Children, here it is an identifier, and it's correct. Its initial value is 5. So here what we are going to do, it is 5 minus 5, which is 0. Uh, so here 5 minus 5, which is 0. So the fourth option is correct in this case. Next one is the 10th question. This one, you can see that the value of A is 6. The value of A is 6 and the value of B is 5. So the condition is A is more than 3. Yes, it is. And B is less than 7. So this whole condition is true. So in this case, the answer will be hello. So children, I would like to just tell you about this question again, which is identifier. So here what to do is just open this. So dollar underscore is equals to 5. So and here, so this is the variable, special symbols along with underscore. This is one of the rule of the identifier. Variables like this we can declare. So dollar underscore minus dollar underscore, if you print. So here you can just wait. Here int dollar underscore is equals to 5, and here dollar underscore minus dollar underscore. Now just run this. The answer is 0. So children, here, okay, we have done with all these questions of comprehension and analysis also. So thank you. Have a nice day.